Hello, I am Aman. So here I have created this application, that is Online Judge. So basically for creating this project I have used React as a front end. As here we can see, here OJ client is basically my front end which I have done in React, and for backend I have basically used Django. So here redesigned OJ is basically my backend. All backend work has been done here. So now I'm going to run my project. So for running here, my backend server has been hosted in port 8000 and front end server has been hosted in port 3000, and currently I have hosted locally my project. So here as we can see, here this is my home page, and for my application I have several pages such as home page, contest, problems and about section. So basically contest and about section has not been done currently, since this has been planned to implement in future, where in contest basically users can participate in different contest and they can give contest, and in about section and blog pages user can interact between them and discuss and share their thoughts and solutions of the problems, and whatever things they want to share they can do in blogs and about section. So currently here we have a problem section and create problem, where user can also create a problem if they wish to create, and their problem will be added according to the problem they want to add. And now we are on registration page where we have to register as a user. So for that I have to enter my username and password, and also I have to enter my email, where an email verification link will be sent, and without that link user won't be able to register. So as we can see, after clicking the submit button we have get a notification that our link has been sent, and after clicking here as we can see that my token is verified and now my account is created. So now I again have to go to the login section, and from there I have to log in using the same user ID and password from which we have registered. So yeah, now our login is successful, and from here now we can access the problems, and we can now easily submit the problems which we want in our online judge. So as we can see here, we have different problems which we can access, and corresponding to those problems we have also given sample input and output. So yeah, user can easily read these problems and submit the code he wish to. So yeah, if we go to this problem, then here we will see that we have to print all the numbers from 1 to n. So here now we will see the working of our online judge, where different verdicts will be shown. So yeah, currently I have directly submitted. So as we can see that my status is the wrong answer and my verdict is also wrong answer. So yeah, now if we do some compilation error, then we can also see that we will be getting some compilation error. Like here for indel I have not written L. So yeah, we can see that there is a error, it is clearly showing in the editor here. So now if we correct our error and we will submit again, then we can see that error is gone, but the verdict should be wrong answer. So yeah, we can see a verdict is wrong answer. And if we went to go into our submission page, then we can see all the submissions which we have done till now. Like we have first get wrong answer, then compilation error, then again wrong answer. So yeah, this is for online judge which we have done. And for in future we are planning to do our contest page and about page, and currently the user can also create a problem if they wish to. So for this, user have to submit enter their problem code and their problem title, and they have to describe their problem, that what exactly their problems is, and corresponding to those user also have to define the difficulty level of problems, and they can also select their tags which they wish to, that what are the tags this problem corresponds to. Like there are several tags has been given. So yeah, and score also user can assign, and user have to also assign sample input and output for the given input. Corresponding to that, we also need to have output. So yeah, now our problem has been added, and now if we go into our problem section, then we can see that our problem is added, and for this also user can submit. So yeah, this is our online judge. Thank you.